Present perfect tense. It's used to talk about the unfinished action or period of time. He has started writing the exercise. We are talking about unfinished action. He has done his homework this week. We are talking about unfinished period. Here we can see how to make the present perfect. We need the subject, the auxiliary verb to have, which we have and has, and the main verb, which must be in the past participle. Here we have some example. With I, you, we, you, and they, we use have, and we need the past participle of the verb. Then we can see here done, which is the past participle of do. Spoken, the past participle of speak. Liked, the past participle of like. Written, the past participle of write. Believed, the past participle of believe. And with he, she, and it, we use has auxiliary verb, and then we put the past participle of the verb. Here we have wanted, cooked, and learned. For instance, in a sentence we can say he has done his homework, or we can say we have spoken to him.